Hello friends, now we are going to see the variation of atomic properties in the groups and periods of modern periodic table. Out of the modern properties, we are going to see about now ionization energy or ionization potential. Ionization energy means the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbital of an isolated gaseous atom. To say simply, the amount of energy required to remove an electron from the atom. Definition: it is the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from the outermost orbital of an isolated gaseous neutral atom. This means if you consider a metal, if you want to remove electron from the outermost orbit of that, from metal atoms, then if you pass certain amount of energy onto that, out of the passed energy, certain amount of energy is utilized to isolate the metal atoms from the remaining metal atoms first there. Isolation means separation from the remaining atoms, and then this metal atom will come into gaseous state. For that also an amount of energy will be utilized. After coming to isolated gaseous neutral atom state, then the energy required by that atom to remove its outermost electron, to eject its outermost electron, is called ionization energy. To say simply, the energy required by an atom to remove the outermost electron is called its ionization energy. As we are telling, it is energy, its units will be joules, kilojoules, and etc. Generally used units are, as these are micro quantities, electron volts. Now let us see how this ionization energy vary in the groups and periods of modern periodic table. First, let us consider in a group. In a group, from top to bottom, we know the size increases because from element to element number of shells increasing, so that size of the atoms increasing from top to bottom. This ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size, because if the size is smaller, the outer electrons are tightly bound with nucleus. The removal of these electrons requires large amount of energy. That required energy we are calling as ionization energy. If we consider the bigger atom, from the nucleus to the outermost orbit or outermost electron, distance is so far. So the nuclear force of attraction on the outermost electron will be a little less when compared in the case of small sized atoms. So the removal of this electron from the bigger atom is a little easier. That means it requires less amount of energy only. In this way, ionization energy is inversely proportional to atomic size. Now, in a group from top to bottom, we are telling the atomic size increases. So ionization energy decreases. Ionization energy decreases from top to bottom in a group. In the period, let us consider. How does it vary in the period? As in case of size, we say in a period from left to right, atomic size decreases. So in inversely proportionality, we say ionization energy generally increases from left to right in a period. But actually, to say there, ionization energy does not follow any regular trend in the periods. As per the size, should be decreased or increased from left to right, because size is decreasing, so ionization energy should increase. But some other factors also influencing this ionization energy, so that ionization energy does not follow any regular trend in the period from left to right, because the factors are like this. One of them, it is half filled configuration and completely filled configuration. Actually, as size is being decreases, ionization energy should increase. But certain elements, they are getting some extra stabilities because of this half filled and completely filled configurations. For example, if you see in the second period, there are some elements like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. As we move from carbon side to fluorine, means left to right, atomic size decreases. So this should have the lowest ionization energy and it should have the greater ionization energy. But if you observe, as we are moving from left to right, Carbon is having, of course, it is having less ionization energy than nitrogen, but nitrogen is having greater ionization energy than oxygen. But actually oxygen should have greater as size decreasing, but here nitrogen is having greater ionization value than oxygen. This is because the half-filled configuration of nitrogen, when its configuration comes in the valence shell as 2s2 2p3. In p subshell there are 3 p orbitals, all are filled with a single electron. This is a half-filled configuration. Because of this, nitrogen attains some extra stability. There, the removal of electron requires some additional amount of energy to overcome this half-filled configuration. That's why nitrogen has greater ionization energy than oxygen, even though the size of oxygen is smaller than that of nitrogen. In this way, ionization energy is not following any regular trend in the period from left to right. To say in general, it should decrease from left to right as size decreasing, should increase. So this is about ionization energy. In a group from top to bottom, it decreases. In a period, in general, to say it should increase, but it is not following any regular trend because of some other external factors there, like electronic configurations and this all.